Okay, na? Please look at all of you. Today I discuss kinetic theory of gases. Please look at all of you. Stop the chatting. Kinetic theory of gases, Nana. Please look at. Now I am going to discuss pressure of a gas, Nana. Pressure of an ideal gas. Please look at. This is the closed vessel, Nana. Here gas is there. Gas consists of molecules. Because of molecular motion, it bombarded to the vessel. Its meaning bombarded to the vessel. Force acting per unit area. This is called pressure. Once again I repeat. Here gas taken in closed vessel, Nana. Because of molecular motion, molecule move randomly and bombard to the walls of the vessel. Force acting per unit area, nothing but the pressure. One molecule and other molecule also bombard, some pressure exerted. This is another way. Here directly I give formula, Nana. Pressure exerted by the ideal gas is 1 by 3 rho V square RMS. Please look here, Nana. This is the formula for pressure of ideal gas. Here rho indicate density of gas. VRMS, simply that is called RMS speed of the gas, Nana. That is called RMS speed of the gas. Here density definition, Nana, mass by volume. This formula write as 1 by 3. Density of gas write as mass of the gas by volume of the gas into V square RMS. Equation number 1, equation number 2. This is another formula for pressure. 9010337336. కాకపోతే ఏం చేస్తాం ఇంకొకటి ఓకే మళ్ళీ చేయగలం కలిసింది డెన్సిటీ ఆఫ్ ద గ్యాస్ ఒకసారి పెన్ ఉందా ఫోన్ కానీ పెన్ కానీ density of the gas is write as mass of the gas and volume of the gas, that equation. In the situation of mv square, pressure of the gas is 2 by 3 volume of mv square write as kinetic energy. Okay, in the situation pressure of the ideal gas is 2 by 3 kinetic energy by volume. This is another formula for pressure and kinetic energy. Do you understand? Please look at. Pressure of the gas is 2 by 3 kinetic energy by volume. Please look at now. Okay? Then next now. What is the first formula? Pressure of the ideal gas is 1 by 3 rho V square RMS. What is the relation between pressure and kinetic energy? P equal to 2 by 3 kinetic energy by volume. Some textbooks in the final exam, Kinetic energy by volume write as E. What is the relation between pressure and E? P equal to 2 by 3 E. This is the final exam JEE question. What is the relation between pressure and kinetic energy per unit volume? P equal to 2 by 3 E. Please look at kinetic energy of each molecule in the gas. Some textbooks write this formula kinetic energy of each atom also. Kinetic energy denoted by Ke. Formula is 3 by 2 kBT. This is the formula for kinetic energy of each molecule in the gas. Here Kb is called Boltzmann constant. Please look here. What is the Boltzmann constant value? Boltzmann constant value. Its value is 1.38 into 10 power minus 23. Kb formula is R by N. R is universal gas constant. N is Avogadro number. Okay. Next, T is absolute temperature. Its meaning is in the chapter temperature taken Kelvin. Temperature taken Kelvin. The chapter name gases, in the chapter temperature taken as Kelvin. Various speed of the gas molecules. Okay, please look at all of it. In the situation, the first speed is RMS speed. RMS speed of the gas. RMS speed means in the chemistry we know that root mean square. Various speed of the gas molecule means root mean square speed. Okay, RMS speed is nothing but the root mean square speed. Generally, gas consists of n molecules. For example, gas consists of n molecules. Suppose the first molecule speed is V1. The second molecule speed is V2, third molecule speed is V3, and so on. Nth molecule speed is Vn. Gas consists of n molecules. First molecule speed is V1, second molecule speed is V2, third molecule speed is V3, nth molecule speed is Vn. In this situation, RMS speed of the gas formula is right in this manner. Please look at under root. First molecule speed V1, second molecule speed V2, and so on. Vn square whole by n. Here n indicate number of molecules. This is the first formula for RMS speed. What is the first formula for RMS speed? Under root V1 square plus V2 square plus and so on Vn square by capital N. Okay. Next we discuss. Please look at what is the pressure of the gas. Pressure of the gas already I give. Look here, 1 by 3. Rho. Rho is the density of the gas. V square RMS. 3 other side numerator. Rho other side denominator. Finally we get VRMS equal to under root 3 P by rho. This is another formula. RMS speed of the gas is in terms of pressure, in terms of density. What is the ideal gas equation? PV equal to nRT. N indicate mass by molecular weight. RT here mass by volume density. Simply according to ideal gas equation, P by rho equal to RT by M. Once again I repeat, this is the ideal gas equation. PV equal to nRT. In the situation, N indicate mass by molecular weight. Okay? Look here all of you. Mass by volume density. P by rho RT by M. Look here all of you. 3 RT by capital M. Okay? 3 RT by capital M. This is another formula. In terms of Boltzmann constant. In terms of Boltzmann constant. Boltzmann constant అంటే R by N. గుర్తుంది కదా? నీట్గా రాస్తే 3 kBT whole by small m. Nana RMS speed in terms of pressure. What is the first formula? Under root 3P by rho. In terms of capital R, under root 3RT by M. In terms of Boltzmann constant, 3 kBT by small m. 3 kBT by small m. ఇది ఎలా వచ్చింది అనే వాళ్ళకి కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ ఆఫ్ మాలిక్యూల్ గుర్తులేదా మీకు? 3/2 చెప్పా కదా, kBT. కైనెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ ఫార్ములా ఆఫ్ mv స్క్వేర్. v కనుక్కోవాలంటే. ఓకేనా? ఇదంతా మనకు అవసరం లేదు. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఫార్ములా 3 kBT by small m. Here small m indicate mass of the each molecule. Capital M indicate molecular weight. Molecular weight. Capital M indicate molecular weight. Molecular weight. This is the another formula for RMS speed. Okay? What is the first formula for RMS speed? Okay nana vivo. ఒకసారి మీరు కూడా మొబైల్ చెక్ చేసుకో. ఓకేనా? ప్లీజ్ నాన్న, ప్లీజ్ లుక్ హియర్. VRMS formulas. These 3 formulas are VRMS formulas. Please look at here. RMS speed only depends on temperature of the gas. RMS speed depends upon the temperature of the gas, not depends upon the pressure of the gas. Not depends on pressure of the gas. Sir, how sir? ఎందుకు అంటే ప్రెజర్ మీద డిపెండ్ అయ్యింది కదా సార్ అంటే, what is the ideal gas equation? P equal to rho RT by capital M. Given condition is temperature constant. Temperature constant, R constant, molecular weight constant. P directly proportional to rho. Suppose pressure increases 10 times. Density also increases 10 times. Simply 10p 10 rho 10 10 what cancel. Simply RMS not change. Its meaning is RMS velocity does not depends upon the pressure, only depends upon the temperature. Velocity of sound. Please look here. In the situation, Nana, we know that RMS speed formula is under root gamma 3 RT by capital M. Equation number 1. In the second year, the chapter name velocity of sound. Waves. Velocity of sound formula is according to Laplace correction gamma RT by M. Equation number 2. Here, what is the relation between VRMS and V sound? Simply equation 1 by equation 2. Left side VRMS, right side V sound is VRMS by V sound. Okay? RT by M cancel. What happens finally? Under root 3 by gamma. Here gamma is called adiabatic constant. Okay? This adiabatic constant value, we know that for monoatomic gas 5 by 3, diatomic gas 7 by 5, polyatomic gas 4 by 3. Please write the notes. Most probable speed is nothing but the most repeatable speed. In the situation, please look here. Most probable speed is nothing but the most repeatable speed. Suppose gas consists of 7 molecules. Suppose its speed is given. First molecule speed 1, second molecule speed is 2, third molecule speed is 2 meter per second, fourth molecule speed is 2 meter per second, fifth molecule speed is 2 meter per second, sixth molecule 3 meter per second, seventh molecules 8 meter per second. In this is first molecule speed, second molecule speed, third molecule speed, fourth molecule speed, fifth molecule speed, sixth molecule speed, seventh molecule speed. Here, which speed is repeatable? Look here. Do. Repeatable. Most times repeatable speed. Simply, most probable speed is, answer is 2. Completed. Do you understand? Here, most repeatable speed is 2. Please look at. Next one. Here, another formula, most probable speed formula, experimentally determined 2p by rho. In the RMS under root 3p by rho. P by rho, according to ideal gas equation, write as 2RT by capital M. According to Boltzmann constant, 2kBT by small m. 2kBT by small m. ఇందాక ఇక్కడ 3 వచ్చింది, ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఎంత వచ్చింది? 2 వచ్చింది. అంటే RMS speed always greater than compared to most probable speed. RMS speed is more compared to most probable speed. Please look at. What is the average speed? Average speed is nothing but the, suppose gas consists of n molecules. Gas consists of n molecules. The first molecule speed is V1, second molecule speed is V2, third molecule speed is V3, nth molecule speed is Vn. Here the question is average speed. Generally two numbers is given. Average and the ranges of socket both are add by 2. Harni average and the 3 numbers is the ranges of 3 numbers is add by 3. Here n numbers are there. Average speed write as, please look at V1 plus V2 and so on Vn whole by n. This is the formula for average speed of a gas. Okay. Here nana average speed in terms of pressure and density I give directly 8 P. P means pressure, rho means density, pi. Look here. 8 P by pi rho. According to ideal gas equation, P by rho 8 R T by pi m. Okay. In terms of Boltzmann constant, under root 8 kBT whole by pi small. Small m indicate mass of the each molecule. Please look at here now. What is the RMS speed? Gurtunda meeku under root 3 RT by capital M. What is the average speed? Under root 8 RT by pi m. What is the most probable speed? Under root 2 RT by capital M. Here 3 times. Here 8 by pi. Pi value 3.14. 2 kanna more వస్తుంది. 3 2s ఎంత 6. 3 3s 9. కాబట్టి 2 కి 3 కి మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది. ఇది ఎంత ఉంది 2. ఇది 2 టైమ్స్ బిట్వీన్ 2 to 3. ఇది 3 టైమ్స్. అంటే ఏ స్పీడ్ ఎక్కువ? RMS స్పీడ్ ఆల్వేస్ గ్రేటర్ దాన్. నెక్స్ట్ ఏ స్పీడ్ ఎక్కువ? యావరేజ్ స్పీడ్. నెక్స్ట్ లాస్ట్ లీస్ట్ స్పీడ్ ఏంటి? మోస్ట్ ప్రాబబుల్ స్పీడ్. Most probable speed also called as most repeatable speed. Please look at the next concept.